Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 12 2023 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on date and time, which is right here, and as you can see here we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using automatic time and the time zone. They are, I believe, network based. Actually, it is set right here. So first of all we have to turn off both of those options, so let me tap on off here, and the same just by using the switcher above the time zone. So right now we can freely tap on date and we can simply scroll in order to pick the date we want to use. Tap on OK, and as you can see it will be immediately applied, and the same situation with the time just by swiping. The same situation it is applied to the status bar. We can change the time zone also if we want to. Just tap on it and you will be transferred to the list. So find yours and tap on it. Let me pick Taipei. And of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here we've got the local time format, and we are using the local default. Of course we can turn it off and manually kind of decide which one we want to use. So right now we've got the 12-hour format. We can use 24-hour one just by tapping on the switcher here. You can also enable or disable the lock screen dual clock, which simply means that you can turn on or off the second clock, which will be displayed on the lock screen. The second clock will take the time from a totally different place in the world of your choice. It's up to you. As I said, I don't want to do it. So basically this is the whole customization of the date and time, and of course you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers, and here in auto set time just pick the network provided time or GPS provided time. It's up to you. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to customize the date and time in your INFINIX Note 12 2023. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.